Universal Studio, about to go on tour. So before you go here, you must buy the ticket online first. Unless you do that, you can't go in, because at the entrance they check your tickets and they check your booking confirmation. And I don't know how long the tour will last. I read about 3 to 4 hours usually. And yeah, we'll see if it's worth the ticket money.
So again, you can see why Harry was a bit annoyed to get that all over the end of his wand in the prison in the Philosopher's Stone.
The Barrow, tempat tinggalnya si Ron Weasley dan keluarganya.
Paul Harris, and I was the choreographer of the battle scenes in Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix.
Brilliant. Ready?
So now let's try move number 1. Start with your knees bent, body nice and straight. Bring the arm above the head, the clean curve, the wand aimed directly at the enemy. Bring the wand forward of the head and whip it back. Now let's see you try it. So now let's try move number 2. Turn your body to the left, bringing the right side through on a flat plane to the enemy. Now let's see you try it.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Very good.
And now let's try move number 3. Stay low, bring your left side across and your left arm to protect your center. Keep your eye on the target at all times. And now, let's see you try that.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, pick your favorite one out of the 3. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Having a veggie pasta and he's having a Angus burger. Also get some chips and a butter beer. Look how cool. It wasn't like this the first we got it.
Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hai.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, just got back to our hotel and discuss about the Harry Potter. I think it was definitely worth the ticket money. It was 37 pounds for 2, so it's around 19 pounds per person, and there's a lot you can see. You can even touch a few stuff. I especially loved the show, actually. Like, there's this show, I mean, we'll insert the footage later, but there's Death Eaters fighting with little kids. Like, I thought that was really cute and like something you expect out of a theme park, not like a studio tour. So yeah, that was a nice surprise. Other things that I really like are in the Dark Forest. It's pretty cool, and it only opened recently in 2017. There are hippogriff, like the hippogriff can move, the big spiders can go up and down. I thought that was really cool. There's a lot of animatronic going on in the Dark Forest, and yeah, I think it really represents the Dark Forest. Other than that, the store was pretty cool too. There's a lot of stuff, and we did bought. Here it is. So the plastic bag is pretty much ruined because we stuffed it into our backpack, and oh, sorry. Ta-da! I got I forgot the name of this. I think, oh well, this is what Hermione used to turn back the time when she took too many classes, and yeah, it looks very similar to the one in the movie, and the sand can actually move. And what she used was actually a necklace, and this is just a keychain. We also got this pen and bookmark. Oh, this one is $11, 11 pounds, sorry. We got the bookmark, we got the pen, and we just Voldemort just because it's the coolest of all. It's the coolest from the rest of the wand. Like, we think the ivory looks really out of this world, you know. And I think people who's not even familiar with the Harry Potter series will think it's a cool pen. And there's other things you can do. There's like an interactive one. They teach you how to do movement with wands, like how to attack with wands. And I actually did that, and we will insert the clip. And it was really fun, and it's free. And other things, we also get photographs. Have you seen this wizard? This one is, well, you take the photo free, but you have to pay to get the print. And this is $21, and that's 2 photos. This one, and I also got the one where I ride a broomstick on a green screen. A broomstick on a green screen. Here it is. So those 2 photos are for 21 pounds. Overall, I definitely recommend to visit the Warner Brothers studio tour of Harry Potter. We went on the 10 AM tour. I think that's the earliest. I think that's the first tour of the day, and we definitely benefited from less of crowds, since we don't have to wait in line for anything. Like, they're pretty much empty. Well, not empty, there's a lot of people, but I think they've anticipated more people, so there isn't that much line. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy watching the magical world of Harry Potter through our lens, and we'll see you in our next UK vlogs. Bye!